Hello, welcome back to my
YouTube channel!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Okay na siya. Ma'am, hapla na lagi ka, ma'am. Ha? Hello, welcome.
Welcome guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi guys! Happy New Year, everyone! May good 2021. Goodbye 2020. Marina, ma'am! Wala, di...
Happy New Year, everyone!
Wait, grab.
Happy
New Year, everyone! Be good 2021! Please be good 2021!
Marina man no.
Marina! Di pabintahang Marina, ma'am versus Burj Khalifa.
Nindot dito ko nakasagot ka na dito jud ka ba?
Unsa kay imong wish sa imong New Year, ma'am, nga pandemic man gid this year.
I
So,
don't wanna be selfish. I want good health for everybody. Hopefully and I pray that everything will be over for this pandemic so that we can move on.
oh, so pong pa ni Berta, life is beautiful, life is precious, life is...
Sa to sa?
Kalimot ko. Sige, to na to. Balikon din nato ang kuan ni sayings ni...
Unsa to yung sayings lagi?
Kabaw na ko, ma'am.
Unsa man?
Life is beautiful, life is precious, life is powerful. Ma'am, pasensya ka ay ma'am kay nawala gid ganin ang first kuan ma'am recording.
It's okay. You don't have to worry. I can really still talk about the puto cheese of ate. It's really good. There's a lot here. You know what, guys? Just to tell you one story. Last year, when ate is first time cooking this one, she's not really
Experiment
confident
pa man
at
to,
all.
ma'am.
Yeah, it's experiment. But then again, when I taste it right now, it's really, really good. It's consistent. The consistency is there. It's really good. A lot
Pwede sa
here.
order.
You can actually order. Just contact Mama Irvin. Comment down below. You can actually eat a lot. Like it's very good, very cheap. The price is very worth.
5 dirhams isa.
5 dirhams, you can get 10 pieces of this. What? Wait, tama. Look, niya to negosyon. Tag 5 man diyan. 5 na po.
Julia, ang dinuguan.
Julia. Bring dinuguan ha. Don't forget. There's a lot of puto from ate. We can actually enjoy a lot of puto And of course, a dinuguan. Okay? We'll wait for your dinuguan. See you later. For more update.
Dong.
Sana all.
Sana.
all.
I like to party! I like to party!
Perfect. Ang tangon ni sabaw niya, niya kanuna siya pa
Murag i-grill.
anang
Ang sauce.
ang tangon niya
Kuha ka
sauce.
lang na isaud. Kaya pahimuon siya grill niya.
Ang tangon
Di ba na?
Barbecue sauce na siya.
i-stick na ni siya.
Oh, sticky ka na murag kuan, baka lang hamunada ka sticky. Oh, perfect. Baby back ribs mo.
Nasa po sa itong kanas, baby rock back ribs, ma'am, sa...
Casa Verde.
Yes, Casa Verde di ay.
Tagpila po dali mo na anak dito.
Barato
100
lang.
plus, pero dako, lami kaayo ka ng... Ipadali kulaping ang higot.
Yatay na sa kulot ni.
Dali hugot ti oy.
Nakaigot? Perfectly.
Ma'am, say, kasulti na to sa lechon belly, ma'am.
This is how you prepare lechon belly, ha? This is for like Cebuano ba kati?
Oh, si Buano pure.
This is how Cebuano cook pork belly.
Pork
or
belly.
Lechon belly. This
With
is from
sibuyas.
Dubai, yeah, with a lot of spring onions,
With
lemongrass, with a lot of spices,
Ay,
chili, pepper and everything. So just put some salt on it. I don't know how they prepare this one, but this is so good, guys.
Di ba ang kani yan ginawagan daw mo pagsakay? Di syempre, ilog na yung kasakay ka, balag sakay, anak.
nanam do kuno sa ubos, ma'am.
Oh, nasa ubos.
So, ano yung abot ng ibang tanong, lechon belly. Mga, what
Si, ako yung mabait sa Pasig. July ba, Ash? Dali ang venue.
Ay, apple juice yan eh.
ma'am, pagkantuan lang dyan sa imong
Mama, maningkamot
malingkamot lang dyan, ma'am, ha?
Sariling sikap.
Kinamas ko laping mas kilid. Asa ka dabitan, hunong tumboy? Ang sa to, baso-baso? Pag sure, di ako
Sa baso-baso. Sa baso-baso.
baso-baso, prog-plan.
Ato na siya i-abli kay Happy New Year naman, so i-open ta ni. Ako na siya gingon Budweiser. So, Happy New Year. Okay. Imo na siya na-ikuan. Ibutan.
Magpa-picture ta?
No, video. Video?
Rolling na, kanina pa.
Oo, ganun ba?
Ay, dapat na mag-ano ka. Naki-ano ka kung... Lagay mo yung sa pro.
Alive. Grabe naman, pangit-mangit ng mga. Oo. Ito yung mga bisita ko, long time ago na wala sa Dubai. Oo. Ito yung grupo ko sa Europe. Nag-travel kami ng Germany. Oo. Ang daming na Harvard. Oh my God. Oo, yung last full show, ma'am, yung mga atab, ma'am. Oo. Number 2 lang sila kasi ano,
Talking mo mga ano?
na-miss natin. Na-miss ko ang ano, travel namin. Maybe after 2 years. Inshallah.
Inshallah. After the COVID.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Yeah. Ito lang. For long time ago in Bethlehem.
Tama na yan.
Bisita ko si Alvin ngayon. Nandito sa bahay.
Nag-live ka? O
Video lang.
vlog?
Vlog lang. At saka si Iman.
Hi! Sorry, kumakain ako.
Pabilag na naman siya.
Mga ito na.
Napindi yung dagat ni Bambi kay overview siya.
Nag-overweight.
60 plus 50, 150, 110.
Dahil na ang mall.
Ay, lagi kaya na ni siya. Dahil kaya mo ni bawa. Ay, grabe, ato sa mall ni Bambi. Natin ni mall si Bambi.
Crispy ka mong kuan. Belly lechon. Lechon lang. Si Bambi ang pinakusga namon. Masa
Mag-vlog.
sulod. Ang say wish ni mo man sa New Year man. Ha? Wish mo so.
Ang wish ko lang ano lang, very simple lang. World peace.
Na-reward ka karon yun.
Ha?
Na-reward ka ron.
Na sa kuan, sa laing lugar na yung war. Always man na daw war.
Yun na yun.
Sa imong video rin, oh.
Disabled pa.
Disabled ka po nga ako. Friend. You know friend? You know friend?
I know that.
Yeah, you know friend. You not know friend. I'm not telling you friend. You know friend. What? You know friend? Friend. I know friend. You know friend? Disabled siya. For the
For the sex, okay.
sexual.
Matumba ka mag.
Sexual addiction. Addiction.
Relation!
Addiction, no.
Wala.
So, kulang ba? Kulang. Sexual addiction, no. Sexual addiction. So, friend ako, how many years ko? Now, years is 45 years. I'm old for the age, bro.
How old are you?
45 years. What? Oh, no. I'm virgin now. Virgin now. Ayun! Virgin ako ba yesterday? No, virgin. Not
Which
virgin.
version? The full and molten one?
Friend, I told you, I'm 45 years. But 15 girls, how many? 15 girls for the
Yeah.
Goodbye 2020 and hello and be good 2021. Happy New Year to my family, to my friends, and to everyone. And thank you so much for your watching my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and share to everyone. And don't forget to click for your notification for the next video. Puno sa kasakit o puno sa kalipay, i-chika mo, ilaglag natin. And once again, Happy New Year to my lovely family and friends. Take care and be safe, everyone. God bless. Bye.